A government-appointed panel has officially commenced its mandate to identify and compensate victims of protest-related violence. The 15-member team, chaired by renowned constitutional lawyer Professor Makau Mutua, was sworn in today and immediately held its inaugural session at the Kenyatta International Convention Center.
The panel, gazetted by President William Ruto on August 25th, and bringing together legal, human rights and civil society experts to lead a 4-month process of verifying victims, recommending compensation and proposing reforms to Kenya policing culture, has been sworn in today at the Kenyatta International Convention Center.
We shall conduct evidence-based verification of victims, be they fatalities or be they those who suffered life-altering injuries. And we will do this primarily to deter fraud and to protect the integrity of the scheme that we have launched today.
Law Society of Kenya President Faith Odhiambo will serve as Vice Chair, with the panel secretariat based at KACC. The team has 120 days to consult widely with families of victims, human rights defenders, religious leaders, and state agencies.
Today, the case of Rex Masai is still pending in an inquiry before we can know even whether it will go into a full hearing. And these are some of the cases that the Law Society has taken and will continue to discharge our duties at the Law Society of Kenya to represent various victims and their families and those who need help. My phone will remain open to each and every one of you. The panel of experts that I joined today bears both the duty and opportunity to spearhead a revolutionary shift in victim reparations.
A technical team led by Richard Bano and Duncan Okelondeda will coordinate data verification in collaboration with the IPOA, the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, and other state institutions. Funds for the process will be managed under the Public Finance Management Act, with independent audits promised for transparency. The panel's work is seen as a critical test of the government's commitment to justice for victims of protest-related violence and to reforms in policing culture. After the swearing in of the panel of experts and committee, the question still remains: which criteria will the panel use to identify the victims? Rose Karori, KUTV, Nairobi.
Thank you, Rose Karori.